We're now making a little shopping trip after arriving in Anyang. I hope this manages to keep my mood a little bit, because I was very sad of what happened today. But my wife is a great help when it comes to have a great mood. So let's see what we will buy. We need to find a chili sauce, but we don't know where it is. Usually we don't buy this here, we buy this in this big E-Mart, but this market is now too far away. So let's search. Oh, or cola.
무거워서 2개 이상 불가야, 그지?
괜찮아요. 뭐가?
고기보다 더 많이 사는 게 안 되지.
네, 네네네네네. 맞아요. You have found spaghetti sauce?
네, 가능해요.
Doesn't need that?
이거는 좀 넓적한 건가요? 아니 얘도 동글동글한데 얘가 더 굵어.
아, 네. 가는 거 감사합니다.
This market is also very huge. If you like Korean food, this must be heaven, I guess. I really wonder where this sauce is. Huh. So much ramen. Ah, maybe I found it. Ah, there it is, there it is, there it is. Great. It's so tasty. Every one of them, but this one, the most. That duck chicken sauce. Generally, when it comes to groceries and food, Korea is a true paradise. You have so much choice. Do you see that? If you need man-sized popcorn bags, you can get it here. They cost maybe $15 for one. So, now finally time to go home to relax and to see how hard the camera is damaged. But it looks not good.